EA500C6 rental LED display uses a convenient quick lock design, and the installation process is fast and easy, which is very suitable for the rental market. This LED screen supports curved installation, which allows it to flexibly adapt to different venue layouts and creative display needs. The cabinet is made of sturdy and durable die-cast aluminum, and all screws and quick locks are made of stainless steel, which further enhances its structural strength and durability. It is worth mentioning that the arc lock design of the EA500C6 provides 5 different adjustment gears, namely -3 degrees, -6 degrees, 0 degrees, 3 degrees and 6 degrees, and users can achieve front and rear arc bending as needed to enhance the display effect. This flexibility makes the EA500C6 an ideal choice for stage performances, exhibitions and various creative activities, not only ensuring excellent visual effects. Next, splice 3 EA500C6 rental LED screens. The first splicing angle is 6 degrees, and the second splicing angle is -6 degrees. We rotate the arc lock to face the 6-degree lock surface to the outside, and we can also see the number 6 through the hole on the lock. Align the 2 screens, then tighten the quick lock to complete the splicing. Now we rotate the arc lock with the -6-degree lock surface facing outwards, and the number -6 can also be seen through the hole on the lock. Align the 2 screens, then tighten the quick lock, and the splicing is complete.